Good, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Okay, you have not sent me the previous work.
I'll send it to you after the class.
Okay, so we are discussing in previous class question number 3 part C and D, right? And
Yes.
I have told you two methods for these questions. One method is the chain rule and the second method is simple method, right? First of all, we have to do this by chain rule. Secondly, we have to do this by simple method, okay?
Okay.
So we can write at that place, let our function is y is equals to cos cube x. This is your function.
Yes.
Okay. So we can also say that it will be cos x whole cube. Understand?
Okay, but the X does not have any cube.
No, no. X is basically the angle and the cube is basically the cos. So if you are finding the value of, let's suppose, cos cube 60, cos cube 60, it means that we have to find the value of cos 60, then take the cube. Understand?
Okay.
So this is the trigonometric identity. So after that, here you can write it as cos x cube. Now let u is equals to cos x. Understand?
Yes.
And also from this way you can find du by dx, du by dx, which is equals to which one? The derivative of cos is minus sine. Understand or not?
Yes.
Okay. After that, we just put the value of u into this equation, so it will becomes y is equals to u cube. So we can write it as dy by dx is basically equals to 3u square. Any problem?
No.
Now using chain rule, you can say that dy by dx is basically equals to dy by du multiply by du by dx, right? We have to put these values. So what is du y by du? That is 3u square. And what is du by dx? That is minus sine x, right? So here you can write it as 3 cos square x. This minus goes on the start, it will becomes minus 3 sine x. Understand this method or not?
तो how do you get cos cube, cos square?
Cos square, because here the value of u is cos and we just put the value of u and square is as it is. So the square is, you can also write it as cos x square, that is equals to cos square x according to this. Understand?
Yes.
Do you have any problem? Do you have any problem?
No.
Okay, this is basically chain rule. Now we can also solve it by using simple method, and you have not learned the simple method. And the simple method is that when we take the derivative of a simple function y is equals to x, then you can write it as dy by dx is equals to d of dx is as it is, and we just put the value of y as simple x, right? And now you can see that this will becomes dx by dx, so that will equals to 1. Understand? This is the general example for derivative. Again, when you have some other function which is let's suppose y is equals to something, you can say that uh, e raised to the power 2x, right? Now again, when we take the derivative, x which is equals to d by dx of e raised to the power 2x. Understand or not? Now here you can find the derivative of this function e raised to the power 2x. The derivative of e raised to the power 2x is e raised to the power 2x, but also the derivative of the given function d by dx of the variable, this one, that is 2x. Understand? This is the general method, because if you are finding, once again I'll explain you, e raised to the power x dot 2, this is the derivative. If you have just simple e raised to the power x, then you can see that you have the derivative of e raised to the power x simple, and after that when we take the derivative, so it will becomes e raised to the power x as it is, and next one is the derivative of the variable which is used in this function, and now variable is used as x, so the derivative of x can be written as simple 1, right? Do you understand this method?
Yes.
Okay, again, if you have if you have cos cube x according to the previous example, so here the variable is used as, because we have y is equals to something raised to the power 3, so something is basically used as variable, so it means that variable is cos. Understand? So first of all we have to take the derivative, so dy by dx is equals to 3, power goes on start, cos square x, and then multiply with the derivative of the variable used. Which variable? That is cos x. Understand or not? So you can
We
also
even
write it
read
as, sorry,
here the power and the y equals to cos square x or cos cube x.
sorry,
In the question, is it y equals to cos square x or cos cube x?
cos cube x.
Okay.
So cos cube x derivative 3 goes on start, and cos power is 1 less, that is square, and then derivative of cos, because cos is the variable, so its derivative will becomes 3 cos square x dot minus sine x, so which is previous we have found. Understand or not?
No.
Do you not understand? Have you not understand? One simple
No.
example
I
is,
got
just wait a minute, one more simple example is that y is equals to